Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common Linux frustration, the RM cannot remove permission denied error. This video will guide you through the most common causes and how to fix them. Let's get started. Firstly, understand the basics. The RM command removes files. However, you need the correct permissions to delete a file. The most common reason for this error is simply not having the necessary permission. You don't own the file, or you lack write access to the directory containing it. To check file ownership, use the command lsl filename. The output will show the owner and group. If you're not the owner, you'll likely need sudo. Try running sudo rm filename. Sudo allows you to execute commands with administrator privileges. Be careful when using sudo. Misuse can damage your system. Another common reason is insufficient permissions on the directory. Even if you own the file, you need write permission in the directory to delete it. Again, use lsl but this time on the directory itself, like lsl/path/to/directory. Look at the permissions string. It describes who can read, write, and execute. If you don't have write permission, use sudo chmod plus w/path/to/directory to grant write access. This command adds write permission for everyone. Be aware of the security implications. Consider using sudo chown username/path/to/directory to change the directory owner to yourself if appropriate, replacing username with your actual username. If the file is write protected, you'll also encounter the error. Use lsl to identify write protected files. Look for the W in the permissions string. If it's missing for your user group, or others, the file is write protected. To remove the write protection, try chmod plus w filename. This allows you to write to the file. Once you can write, you should be able to delete it. Immutable files are another culprit. These files are locked at the system level. The chattr command can check if a file is immutable. If you see an I attribute, the file is immutable. To remove the immutable attribute, use sudo chattr I filename. This requires root privileges. Only remove the immutable attribute if you understand the consequences. A mounted file system with read-only access is another possibility. Check how the file system is mounted. The mount command will show the mount options. If it's mounted read-only, you cannot delete files. You'll need to remount it with read-write access. This usually involves editing the /etc/stab file and requires advanced knowledge. Finally, remember some files are critical to the system. Deleting them can cause instability. Think twice before deleting anything you are unsure about, even with sudo. Always double-check the file path and name before running RM. Practice caution to prevent accidental data loss. These steps should help you troubleshoot RM cannot remove permission denied errors. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you resolve your permission issues. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by buying me a coffee. Your support helps me create more content like this.